Hello, this is Derek, and this is the videos for experiment lab number 3. So, here we have the questions. The first question is write a program to print the area and circumference of a circle by creating a class named circle, having radius as parameters and assist with get and setup functions. Define a method named return area which returns the area of the circle. Radius of the circle is entered through the keyword. So the respective program is here. So here we have created a class circle with a member variable radius that is of data type double, and here we have a function which returns a double get radius and a set radius that sets has argument of r double and sets the radius r, and the function return area returns map.py into radius, that is this radius's value. So in the main function we have an object created of the class circle called circle, and then we are printing a message to enter the radius. Then we are scanning the radius using the scanner class object sc dot next level, and then we are setting the radius of the circle object by circle dot set radius, and we are passing the radius value that we got from the user, and then we are printing the area of circle dot return area by using the function return area. So we'll play this and see. Enter the radius 5. So the area is 78.53. So we enter the radius 1 is 3.14. So another question is create a class shape to print the area of a circle and a rectangle. The class has two methods with the same name but different number of parameters. The method for printing the area of rectangle has two parameters, which are length and breadth respectively, while the other method for printing area of circle has one parameter, which is radius of the circle. So code is, so we have a class called shape, and we have two functions, area with an argument, a single argument, and again the same function area with two arguments. So in the single argument area we are passing map.py into a into a, calculate the area of the circle, and then with the two arguments one we are returning L into B, that is the area of the rectangle. So in the main class we are preparing an object called circle of class shape, and then circle dot area 5, we are passing that area into 5, and then shape rectangle, and in rectangle area we are passing 5 and 4 as arguments. So when we'll run this, we'll get the area of the circle, this, and in the rectangle's area, that is 25 into 4. So now we move on to the third question, that is write a menu-driven application to maintain the book databases in a library using Java to demonstrate the concept of array of objects. Your application must contain the following functionalities. Uh, so these are the functionalities, and here is the code. So first I have defined a class called book. So in the book we have the attributes as book title, author, publisher, edition, quantity, and availability, which is of the type boolean. So and we have getter and setter functions here, and then this is the constructor, default constructor of the book. So here we are initializing the values, and then we have a parameterized constructor that we can manually give the arguments, pass the arguments to initialize the object. So here in the main class we have these variables, and we have an array object of books which is static, and then in the main function we are using a while loop and printing the menu. The menu function is below here. So this is the menu. Add books, display 2012 edition books not available 12. So in the main function we are using the switch condition to switch on these choices with these cases in it. So here are the functions definitions. So for books not available we are using this code. We are traversing through the array of the objects and just checking if the book is available or not. If book availability is equal to false, print this not available books, and then print books of 2012. So if the object dot get book addition is equal to 2012, then we'll print the details of that book, and get books to print all the details of all of the books, and set books is to define a new book, means add a new book. So let's run the program and see. So we'll do add books and the number of books to enter title, math, or can be the quantity. So here we have entered the details of 3 books. So now if we do to display the books, so we get the list of the books what we have here, and then 2012 edition books if you want to see. So these are the books available of edition 2012. Not available books is 4. So this is not available, and 5 is for quitting. So these were the 3 programs. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the output. And this is the code.